This father and son were shot and killed by son's friend during his high school graduation.
Graduation near the campus of Virginia Commonwealth University.
This took place at Virginia High, man. What's going on up there in Virginia, dog? Like, bro, like this is why you need to choose your friends wisely, bro. Choose who you invite into your life, dog. Cause like this kind of things, bro, it's what happens when you have fake friends, dog. Let's watch the video together.
This is the moment a barrage of gunfire pierced the celebration outside a high school graduation near the campus of Virginia Commonwealth University.
Bro, like this was probably jealous related, man, you feel me? I read one comment that said the boy was a gangbanger, this was gang related. I'm like, nah, I don't think this was gang related. Probably bro had wrong friends, you feel me? Bro had his enemies as his friends, man, you feel me? Bro didn't really get a real backup, man, behind him. I mean, it would be crazy if this was gang related, man, cause imagine, bro, now you got your pops popped and you got yourself popped at school, bro, and by people you know, like people that you keep around you, people you call friends, man. They come to your graduation, they lit up shit, yeah, and you are your pops drop, man, if you feel me? Like, that would really be crazy, but I really think this was like jealous related. Maybe that boy didn't make it to graduations and stuff, so he got mad, pulled out his pistol, went after his friend, man, to assassinate him at his graduation, bro. And this is a sad story, man. It shows how crazy life is in America, man. Like in Virginia, man, up there, bro. Man, rest in peace to the high school graduate who lost his life, man. RIP to his father as well, man. I hope those perpetrators get caught, man, and they get justice, man, for those two people who lost their life, man. Like, I don't know what's going on, bro. Like, it's shocking, man. It's your boy, Twadi Wasabi. You know me, I bring you the best stories around, bro. BD.